You're the man's bitch. Come on, be the man.
Say it. Enough.
Phone rings, he dies. That's it.
Wait.
Phone rings, he dies.
But what's to say? Phone rings. We get rich.
I'm here to kill a man. Don't make me kill too.
I hear you, my friend, and I respect you. Could we have a moment, please? Away from these dogs?